Hello friends, welcome back to Bookworm. Today we will learn about interrogative form of past perfect continuous tense. So let's start. What is past perfect continuous interrogative tenses? First of all, what is interrogative tenses? Interrogative are the statements in the question form. These are used to ask the questions. Okay, the past perfect continuous interrogative is used to talk about the actions that had been happening over a period of time before another past event. See, for example, this is a timeline. Okay, this is the present part and this is the past part. Okay, and it is talking about the two events here. For example, this is the event 1 and this is event 2. Okay, now past perfect continuous interrogative are used to ask about the actions, means these are used to ask about the actions for it is used to ask about this action before this event takes place. Okay, it is used to ask about the this first action before the second action or second event takes place. So this all is covered in the past perfect continuous interrogative tenses. Now let's see how to write the past perfect continuous interrogative tenses. First of all, had. We will start with had, then subject, then been, ing form of the verb, then object, and then the question mark. Question mark is compulsory as this is in the question form statement. Okay, for example, had she been studying? Studying is the ing form of the verb study. All night before the test, and this is the object here. All night before the test is the object here, and then the question mark. Okay, this is how we will write the past perfect continuous interrogative tenses. Now past perfect continuous interrogative tenses are used to frame a question that will be answered with a yes or no. Okay, when we will start the question with had. Okay, when we are starting our interrogative statements with had, then the answer will be in the yes or no form. For example, had I been skating? So this will be answered in the yes or no form. Okay, had you been playing football? Yes or no? Okay. Now there are special questions that require more information in their answers, and these questions can also be framed under the past perfect continuous interrogative tenses. They are made up of WH words such as what, where, when, why, which, who, how many, how much. Okay, all these questions require more information in their answers, and let's see how they are framed. First of all, WH word, then had, subject, been, ing form of the verb, then object. Okay, so WH word like what had you been doing when you cut your finger? So this question requires more information. So these are called the special questions. Now let's turn these sentences into a question form. She had been sleeping for 2 hours before the phone rang. So first of all, we will start with the question had she been sleeping for 2 hours before the phone rang, and then question mark. They had been playing in the park. Had they been playing in the park? She had been studying all night for the exam. Had she been studying all night? Oh, sorry, question mark here. For the exam, then question mark. That's all for today. Now you know how to frame a question in the past perfect continuous tenses. Keep practicing and we will see you in the next lesson. Like, share and subscribe for more grammar bites. Thank you.